writing style, engaging. Hey there, fellow home chefs and sweet treat enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to guide you through the delectable world of homemade donuts. That's right, we're turning your kitchen into a donut shop. So grab your apron and let's dive in. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need some all-purpose flour, sugar, a bit of salt, some milk, yeast, butter, and don't forget the eggs. Make sure everything's at room temperature to make your dough as cooperative as possible. Now onto the fun part, making the dough. Start by heating your milk just a bit. You want it warm, not hot. Sprinkle in your yeast and a teaspoon of sugar, and let it sit until it's frothy. This is key. It means your yeast is alive and ready to make your donuts light and fluffy. Next, mix your flour, the remaining sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Add in your yeast mixture, melted butter, and eggs. Now, if you're ready to get a little messy, start mixing with your hands. Keep kneading until your dough is smooth and elastic. It's a bit of a workout, but oh, so worth it. Let your dough sit in a warm place covered with a cloth. Patience is a virtue here. We're waiting for it to double in size, which takes about an hour. When your dough has risen, it's time to roll it out on a floured surface. Aim for about ½ inch thick. Grab a donut cutter, or if you don't have one, a large and a small round cookie cutter will do just fine. Punch out those classic donut shapes and get ready for the magic to happen. Now let's heat up some oil in a deep fryer or a large deep skillet. You want it hot but not smoking. About 375 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect. Carefully drop each donut into the oil. They only need a couple of minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden. Once they're fried to perfection, let them cool on a wire rack. And here comes the best part, the toppings. Go classic with a simple sugar glaze, or get creative with chocolate, sprinkles, or even some bacon bits for a savory twist. And there you have it, beautiful homemade donuts that will make your kitchen smell like heaven, and your taste buds dance with joy. Whether it's breakfast, dessert, or a special treat, these donuts are sure to impress. Thanks for joining me in this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy frying, and see you next time.